Neural networks, inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain, stand as the bedrock of contemporary artificial intelligence. These complex networks of interconnected neurons possess the remarkable ability to learn patterns and relationships from data, enabling them to tackle a myriad of tasks ranging from image recognition to natural language processing. In this exploration, we embark on a journey to demystify the inner workings of neural networks, shedding light on their structure, function, and applications. Through this journey, we seek to unravel the mysteries of neural networks, unveiling the transformative potential they hold in shaping the future of AI. Introduction to neural networks. Neural networks stand as the cornerstone of modern artificial intelligence, mimicking the structure and function of the human brain to solve complex problems. At their core, neural networks consist of interconnected layers of artificial neurons, each layer processing information and passing it on to the next layer. Understanding the fundamentals of neural networks is essential for unlocking their potential in various applications, from image recognition to natural language processing. Neurons, the building blocks of neural networks. Neurons are the fundamental units of neural networks, inspired by their biological counterparts. Each neuron receives input signals from connected neurons or external sources, processes them using weighted connections, and produces an output signal based on an activation function. These interconnected neurons form the basis of information processing in neural networks, enabling them to learn complex patterns and relationships from data. Layers in neural networks. Neural networks are structured into layers, each serving a specific role in the information processing pipeline. The typical architecture comprises three main types of layers: input, hidden, and output layers. The input layer receives raw data, such as images or text, and passes it to the hidden layers. These hidden layers perform computations, extracting features and patterns from the input data. The final output layer produces the network's prediction or classification based on the processed information. The depth and arrangement of these layers contribute to the network's capacity to learn complex relationships within the data. Feed-forward neural networks. Feed-forward neural networks, also known as multilayer perceptrons, are the simplest form of neural networks, consisting of input, hidden, and output layers. In feed-forward networks, information flows in one direction, from the input layer through the hidden layers to the output layer. These networks are capable of learning complex nonlinear relationships between input and output data. Activation functions. Activation functions are essential components of neural networks that introduce nonlinearity into the model, enabling it to learn complex patterns and relationships in the data. They operate on the output of each neuron, determining whether it should fire and transmit information to the next layer. Common activation functions include sigmoid, tan, and rectified linear unit, sigmoid, and tan functions squash the neuron's output into a range between 0 and 1 or -1 and 1, respectively, making them suitable for binary classification tasks. On the other hand, introduces sparsity by outputting 0 for negative inputs and allowing positive inputs to pass through unchanged, which accelerates training and mitigates the vanishing gradient problem. Training neural networks. Training neural networks involves optimizing the model's parameters, such as weights and biases, to minimize the difference between predicted and actual outputs. This process, known as backpropagation, uses gradient descent to adjust the model's parameters iteratively based on the error signal propagated backward through the network. Training neural networks requires large annotated datasets and computationally intensive optimization algorithms. Convolutional neural networks. Convolutional neural networks are specialized neural networks designed for processing structured grid-like data, such as images. CNNs employ convolutional layers to extract spatial hierarchies of features from input images, enabling them to capture local patterns and spatial relationships. CNNs have revolutionized computer vision tasks, achieving state-of-the-art performance in tasks such as image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. Recurrent neural networks. Recurrent neural networks are a class of neural networks capable of processing sequential data with temporal dependencies, such as time series or natural language. RNNs use recurrent connections to maintain internal state information, allowing them to capture temporal dependencies across time steps. RNNs have applications in tasks such as speech recognition, language modeling, and sequence generation. Challenges and future directions. While neural networks have achieved remarkable success in various applications, they also face challenges such as interpretability, robustness, and scalability. Addressing these challenges requires ongoing research into model explainability, adversarial robustness, and efficient training algorithms. I hope you liked it. If you liked, don't forget to giving a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informational videos. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.